Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use the product availability feature. This feature allows you to check the products in your Linnworks inventory or through your own mobile device. The product availability feature is the first icon you'll see in the top left of your dashboard. There are three ways to search for a product across the whole of Warehouse Plus. And you can search that through the barcode, the SKU, and the name. In certain scenarios, you'll find that a certain search will bring you to many different results. This will be because many products can have the same name, SKU or barcode number. Once you have found the product you were looking for and you have selected it, you can view all of its details, including the item name, the item number, stock level, the location name, the bin rack, the retail price, weight, purchase price, barcode number, and tax rate. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.